I'm going to preface today's featured video by calling to all my subscribers' attention an eBay seller that I think is honest, that I've had good luck with, and his name is Recon1. I'm going to include in my description box the link to his eBay channel. I've gotten some things, some really cool stuff. I've gotten this Spyderco bushcraft from him. My Carta handle in lieu of the maple burl. I think that was previously offered. Got that from him. Also recently picked this up, and I've seen bidding on eBay go for well above what this thing cost me with shipping. Number 33 ever made, and I had 74, and I was quite excited when that happened. Carbon fiber handle, number 33, Spyderco Paramilitary 2. Slapped a black clip on this thing. That's what I always do. Just so happens that I have number 33 of the regular Paramilitary 2. Alright, y'all. Well, on to the featured video. Recon1 is the seller's name. You can find his link in the description box. Alright, guys, just a quick EDC update. Cold Steel Raja 3. Love the ergonomics. Good weight, around 5 ounces. Grivery handle. Fits extremely well in hand. Thumb plate here. So if it catches the liner of your pocket, it actuates the knife. You can also open it with one finger. This is AUS 8 steel, AUS 8A. Pocket clipped and nailed it. The only cold steel I love their knives, man. I just love to fool around with their knives. They're just awesome. They get the job done about as good as any, about as well as any. And but with this one, they really thought of everything. They nailed it. Look at the dimensions right here for pocket carry. And in my EDC video, I had a little bit of, I'd worn out these are brand new pants, the ones I was wearing in the video, and there was already some sagging. So this area of the blade was exposed, and usually you don't see this part at all. It's just all black without that part showing. Anyway, love the knife. Paramilitary 2 kind of speaks for itself. Love the carbon fiber handle. Got this from Recon1. Renaissance waxed this blade. Oh man, I mean, if this isn't a selling knife right here, this will make you want to buy. Even better than stock footage. Stock photos. Renaissance wax that boy. Love this knife. Great ergonomics, no matter how you grab it. Oh, not so good here. Better here. Spyderco is kind of intended to be used like this. Choke up like that. Great knife. Devin Thomas, ladder Damascus. Stainless Damascus, highly functional. A Renaissance wax this bad boy too. It's got the Idaho made thing there. I don't mind it. I actually kind of like it. We need that in this country. Titanium frame. I love this flow-through design. Like I said on this guy named MIG Angel, I said genius simplicity. That's what it is. The Chris Reeve large Sapenza 21. That covers them. That covers all the knives. Some teasers. Come on, camera. There you go. Gets the job done, man. It screws with you, but look at those red barrel spacers. I love the red. I chose that. I had the option of choosing. Almost missed this knife, by the way. You all, you have a great weekend. I appreciate all of you.